How to use Zapier. Zapier tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to automate your tasks with Zapier. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply come to zapier.com. Zapier is an amazing platform that allows you to automate your tasks. You can simply go ahead and connect your different platforms such as your Facebook, Gmail, HubSpot, your CRM platforms, any platform that you are using. You can simply go ahead and automate and manage them with Zapier. You will be able to connect your Slack and then create files and automate your business to save time and get more productive. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply go ahead and sign up for Zapier. The signing up process is really easy. You can simply sign up with your Google account, Facebook, or your Apple. Once you sign up for Zapier, then you will get your own dashboard. So this is my dashboard on Zapier. Let me show you around. So this is our Zapier. We can create a Zap. Zap simply means connecting your apps and creating a workflow. Then we have transfer option that allow us to transfer data from one platform to another. We will be able to find all of the Zaps that we have created right here. Then we have My Apps option that allows you to check all of the apps that are available, and you can connect any type of app to your Zapier. So let's start with our Zap. The first thing that you need to do is create a Zap. Simply click on Create Zap, and now the first step is going to be selecting a platform. You can create your Zaps. For example, I can connect and add a Google Calendar, and then I will be able to schedule a meeting from my Zapier. And I can connect my Google Calendar, my Google Meets, or maybe Zoom with my Google Calendar using Zapier. First of all, we have to give our Zap a name. So I'm going to call it Work. Now I'm going to go ahead and select any of the apps. Let's go with Google Calendar. Now this is the app that I am choosing. This is going to be my app, Google Calendar, and this is going to be an event that will be triggered with this app. You can select your Facebook right here and then schedule a live. You can select Zoom and then schedule a meeting. You can select HubSpot and schedule an email. So that is how it works. I'm going to select Google Calendar and schedule an event. So I will simply go ahead and click on New Event. Now, simply click on Continue. Simply connect that platform that you have selected to your Zapier. So I have selected my Google Calendar, so I'm going to go ahead and sign into Google Calendar and give my Zapier access. Once you connect your platform, then you will be able to create an event. So now I will simply choose my calendars that are available. These are the different calendars available on my Google Calendars, and I'm going to continue. So now we have test your trigger. If you want to test it that your calendar is actually connected, then you can go ahead and select a trigger. Now this is my trigger app. This is my app, Google Calendar, and in here I have selected the calendar. The next thing I need to do is simply go ahead and select the action. So this is going to be the app where this action will be performed. So I have selected Google Calendar because I am actually going to create an event. I am going to plan an event. So I'm going to select an app where this is going to happen. Now I can select Zoom. I can go ahead and select any of the platform that is related to this event. Let's say that this event is going to be happening on Facebook. So I will go to my Facebook pages, and now I will simply choose an event. Create a page post, what kind of action you want to perform. So our Google Calendar knows that I have to trigger this action. What action? A post, maybe a photo, video, or a profile photo. So let's say that I want to create a page post. I want to schedule that. I will select an action and continue. The next step, of course, is going to be connecting my Facebook right here to my Zapier. Once you connect your Facebook, and this is going to be my action. So on Zapier, we have a trigger and an action performer. Simply connect your Facebook, and then you will simply go ahead and continue and create a post, add a photo, whatever you want to do. And then simply click on save. Your new Zap will be saved. If you want to access the settings, you can simply go to settings right here and you can change the name, add a folder, add description, and change time zone. If you want to disable this trigger that you have created, you can simply select this option right here and it will be disabled. Then we have an outline option. This is the outline. Like, this is the new event in Google Calendar. Create a page post in Facebook. Here you will be able to get an idea that, okay, this is the event that I am creating. So it's super simple using Zapier. Now I will simply go back and you can see I have one of the Zaps created. It is known as work, and these are the apps involved: Google Calendar and Facebook. I can turn this off anytime I want to. To create a new Zap, again, simply click right here, select a trigger, and then select an action app. This time, I will simply select HubSpot, connect your HubSpot, create an event that you want to do, maybe a new deal, and then I can simply connect my pipe drive from where I will be getting my deal from. And this is how we simply, connect different apps and create our own Zaps. If we go to transfer right here, then you will be able to access the transfer data option. You can connect apps, select the data that you want to move, and then transfer data. That is how simple it is to transfer data from one app to another. Then, of course, you have My Apps option, where you will be able to find all of the apps that are available on Zapier, the apps that you have added. So I have connected my Google Calendar yet. You can simply click to add connection and first connect all of your apps right here. So you will not have to connect your app every time you're creating an event. You can connect your Facebook, your HubSpot, your Instagram, Google Calendar, Zoom, Google Sheets, whatever you want to right here. And then it will be super easy for you to create a Zap. You can simply add apps that you use the most right here and the apps that you are working on. And this is how it works on Zapier. Zapier is super easy to use and has all the right features and tools for us to connect and automate our work. And this way we can save a lot of time and get more productive. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to use Zapier to automate your work. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.